All once again. In this chapter, I will explain a bit more about the class and objects. What is class? Class is a blueprint, or you can say template. Let's go in the right hand side the image. Suppose car. We are saying car. The car is a class, and we have the different type of cars, different companies, different brand, different color. All these are the object of the car. The class is a template, but actual value, suppose I have the Baleno car, this is the object of the class. Object contains the actual value, okay, and memory is allocated when object is created. Suppose I want to access the member of the class, then we can go through the object can access the member of the class. Okay, let go one more example here. Class and objects example. Suppose building is a class, but empire stage, there is the one type of building that is called instance object of the building class. Dog is a class, but there are different types of dogs. Let's see, dogs, this is the object. You can say computer is a class, but your computer, my computer, this is the object. Okay, that is the basic difference between object and class. Let's go and see how we can do in the code level. I'm going to open the Visual Studio and let's create a class. I'm right click, add, and class. I'm creating a class. I'm creating a class student. Okay, so this is the syntax of creating a class. Public, I will explain later in the chapter in the access modifier. Let's public is a access modifier. Class, we have to, whenever creating a class, we have to write the class and class name. Okay, so this is the basic syntax of class. Anything you can create. Suppose I am creating car class. Okay, so you can write car here, right? And I am going to create the members of the class. So how we can create the members? Suppose public string make or brand. Okay, public string model, these are the members of the class. And suppose I want to create a method in the class, public void drive. Suppose drive is a method I creating, and I am just adding the console.write line. Suppose it is speed, and I am printing brand Okay, is driving. This is the simple example of how to create a class. Now let's go. I can create object of the class. Suppose I am accessing the class from here. So our class name is car. Object 1 equal to new car. That is the way to create the object of the class. Class name, any name of the object, and equal, then new and car. Now object dot brand equal to BMW. I am set accessing the member of the class. Class member is brand. By creating the object of the class, I am accessing the member. I am assigning brand. Now I am assigning 200 kilometer per hour in the speed. Now I am calling object dot drive. Let's run the program. There are some syntax error somewhere it was. Just this is. So you can see here BMW, the car is driving. I am setting the BMW and speed this one, and BMW, the car driving with speed. I am again try to add speed here. Speed. Now let's run the exam program. You can see here BMW, the car is driving with a speed 200 kilometer per hour. So what we are doing here, we are creating the object of the class and accessing the member of the class and assigning some value and accessing the method. So that is the way to create the object of the class. Suppose I can create the new object of the same class. I can create the object 2, and this object 2 and object 1 is independent each other. Okay, let's see. I am accessing this one. I am okay. Object 2 dot brand is Audi, object 2 dot speed is this, and object 2 dot drive. So you can see here. Let's see the result. Then I will explain bit more. You can see here. BMW, the car is driving with a speed 200 kilometer. Audi is the car is driving with the same class with the different object. In the object 1, I am assigning BMW 200. So the result is first line. In the same class, in the different object, I am assigning the different value. It's writing the different value. It means the object of the class, different object of the class is independent each other. That is very nice thing. Okay. Here car is the class name, Brand and speed is the member of the class, data members you can say. And drive is the method of the class. In this class there are three things: class name, class member, and class method. Here object 1 is the object of the class. Okay. So what is difference between class and object? I think you guys are able to understood now. Class is a blueprint or template, and object is the instance of the class. Class is the logical definition, okay, but object is the real entity. Whenever you creating the class, no memory allocated, but whenever you creating the object, memory will be allocated. Okay. So why class and objects are important? It's help to organize the code, make program reusable. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all for the today video. In the next video, I will go to explain bit more about the next topic like constructor and all. Thank you all. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. And if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.